splish, splash. Throw my heart. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Ha, ha. Splish, splash, splish, splash. 1, 2, 3, 4. My heart keeps refusing. Listen.
No, Carrie, you need to wave your body like this. Your dancing looks so stiff.
Well, doing it exactly the way you do it is hard.
Look, just wave. It's not hard.
Wait, is that good?
No, it's not. You know what I think? You've not been practicing.
What? It's easy for you because you did the choreography. Plus, you're a better dancer.
I agree. This is way too hard.
Fine. Let's practice individually and try again tomorrow. I feel tired anyway. I wonder why I've been feeling so exhausted today.
Julie,
Yes?
can you show me how to do the dance move one more time?
Tomorrow, okay? I feel so tired to move.
Just one more, please, Julie. Come on, let me see it just one more time.
I said we'll do it tomorrow, didn't I?
Oh, okay.
What's the matter, Carrie? Is Julie mad?
I don't know. But she didn't have to raise her voice at me.
Class, we found out that people loved the letter writing event we did before, so the broadcasting club is going to recreate it. And this time around, anybody can participate. Even your parents can join.
But I prefer typing on a keyboard.
My handwriting's not that good.
If our parents write us letters, how are they gonna send it to us?
They need us to address the letter to our school. Then, it will be delivered to us. Oh, remember, you'll be presenting your dance choreographies to me after lunch.
Yes, sir! Ellie, where is Julie? She left. But why?
I feel like I'm getting worse.
Julie, are you on your way?
Yes, I'm on my way to the hospital, Mom. But if it's something super serious...
Dear my shining heart, spread far, far away, so the whole world can see all my dreams. Up goes my confidence, up, with my shoulders spread.
All right, that's good. I think you all danced well. But I noticed your steps were the same.
That's because we originally had different steps, Mr. Tommy. But we had to change things since our lead dancer, Julie, left for home early.
Yes, but with or without a leader, you shouldn't slack off with your choreography.
Why did she have to go home anyway?
Julie was feeling unwell.
I still wish she didn't go home early. We needed her for this.
Mr. Tommy, who's going to be in the cleaning duty with me? Julie was supposed to do it with me today.
Who's going next after Julie then?
Carrie.
Me?
Could you be her cleaning partner, Carrie?
Sure.
We need to write a handwritten letter? It's been a while since I've written one of those things. Huh? Hey, Carrie, is there something wrong?
It's Julie. She keeps having things done her way. First, she got mad at me over nothing. And then she went home on the day of our dance presentation. Plus, I had to clean the classroom in her place.
I wonder, is Julie aware that she has offended you?
No, she's not.
I have an idea. Maybe you could try writing a letter to Julie.
A letter? Dear Julie, I want you to know that you really hurt me.
I don't get it. I really don't. If you have something to say to them, why not tell them in person? Or maybe give them a phone call. Why write it down?
I wonder if she won't be around today, too.
Huh?
This is stupid. I don't understand what has gotten into me.
Mr. Tommy!
Ah!
Hi. Is that your entry for the handwritten letter event too?
What? Oh, you mean this thing? I think someone wrote it as a joke. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody, and good morning. We have a very special event for today.
Event? What kind of event?
Letter writing.
What? I didn't write one.
We received many letters with different stories and dedications. And now, we'll go through them one by one. To Mom. You tell me that you want me to lose weight. But why do you always give me so much delicious food? Kevin. Your mother is working very hard to keep the store running. So please stop getting yourself in trouble and help her out more. Sincerely, your dad. P.S. I'll be there to help too. To Kevin, my second favorite person in the world.
Oh, Dad.
Huh? What did he mean second favorite?
To my dad, Mom is always his number one.
I see.
This letter is from Tammy's mother. Let's read what it says. Hi, Tammy. I'm glad and proud that you are very athletic. But you should really balance it out and do well on your studies too for your sake.
Why the heck would Mom write me something like that?
You know what, Tammy? I think you should really listen to your mother's advice. Mothers know best after all. This is for... It's for Julie, and the letter is written by her mom.
It's from Mom?
Julie, your dad and I know how much you love and enjoy dancing. That's why we also love watching you practice your steps or perform on stage. I'm sorry that you got sick recently, and that's why you haven't been able to perform.
Yes?
Can you show me how to do the dance move one more time?
Tomorrow, okay? I feel so tired to move. I feel like I'm getting worse. What if it's something super serious?
Carrie! You'll get better in no time after you take your medication. I have faith in you. Your dad and I love you very much, Julie. I'm sure that you're going to become the best dancer in the world. Julie, dear, you got this.
Julie, you got this.
You got this!
Thanks, guys. You'll be fine.
It sounds like Carrie just misunderstood Julie's actions. They still have one letter left to read. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh. Huh? It looks like we've got one more. To Miss Dina, grade 4 class teacher.
Huh? Oh no, this can't be!
I'm not used to writing letters, but I'll try my very best. Whoa! I've never felt this way before. This is my way of telling you how I feel about you.
Please, no!
I hope we can go out on a date. From...
Yeah.
Huh? Secret admirer.
Huh? Who could have possibly written that letter? Letter for me? Did you write this yourself? Dear Julie, I'm sorry for forcing you to teach me.
And I'm sorry for getting angry with you too. I did not know you were sick.
No worries, and I'm sorry for not telling you.
Don't be. I'm the one who should be sorry.
But I do feel triple sorry.
Well, the truth is, I feel quadruple sorry for my actions.
But I'm actually more sorry times infinity.
Hello, my love, it's so nice to meet you. I was really looking forward to meeting you. My heart trembles into the whole world. Let's say the magic words. My love, 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 oh nice to meet you. Oh nice to meet you. Oh nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. When warm love touched my heart.
Huh? What's the meaning?
Well, it's a letter. A very expressive one full of love.
Huh? Letter? It's a paw print.
Okay, we can call it a paw-written letter then.
What?
Why do I feel this way? When I don't see you, I miss you. We sometimes fight